Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now once this step is done, you just have to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then select Withdraw. In the withdraw, you just have to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, you simply need to tap on it and then you will be able to see this type of form in front of you where the coin is selected as USDT. Then it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get the address, you need to come to your Tonkeeper wallet and here you need to select the receive option. Or what you can do is you can simply scroll down, select USDT and then tap on the receive button. Here you will be able to see the deposit address and the QR code. So you need to copy it from here. Then come back to Bybit and in the address section paste it. Then in the network you need to select the Ton network. After that in the amount you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. After that, tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and initiate and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, your USDT will be moved from your Bybit account to your Tonkeeper wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.